All right, hey Ryan, here's the website I use for pricing. Keep in mind some of these concepts and ideas I have and use and do are just my own, and I've adopted them from later or from earlier. They seem to work for me, but if you want to change it, by all means, go ahead. So first things first, I'd click on the Design Lab and get started. Then I know the base cost of this is right around $2.90 or $3, so I generally overestimate and say it's $3. So then I would go click a dark color, whatever it might be, and you can add your text from here. It doesn't really matter what it says. So you can add multiple, if you want to do price out a 2 or 3 color job, just add different text and just change the color. It seriously doesn't have to be that complicated or that intricate, because you're mainly just looking for pricing. Then I would move to the back and let's say smash there. So right now we have a 3-color front and a 1-color back. But and that's how you get the pricing based on that. But you only need the pricing for a 1-color front and 1-color back. So we're going to go ahead and just leave that there. Now click continue. Okay, 255. Okay. All right, and the price comes to $9.77. Now the hard cost of the shirt is $2.83. So if you do 9.77 minus 2.83, so you're left with about $6.94 in margin. What you can do is subtract the printing cost from that, or and then just not include screens, or if you want to include screens, it's all about your choice. But if you were doing like a 50-50 garment, let's say the Gildan, this one, then your cost would be about $2.60 per item. So 9.77 minus 2.60. Okay, so if you charge the customer $8.50, so let's say you charge the customer $8.50 minus 2.60, you'd be left over with $5.90 in margin, and that would be an appropriate price for that kind of order. You could even go down to $8 if you wanted to, but then you'd have to deal with the printing cost. And as a general rule, what I do is I include the screens in with the pricing, just so it doesn't throw any red flags or cause any issues with the customer, because everyone hates hidden fees or late add-on fees or something like that. And I'm taking this kind of from Custom Ink. Custom Ink doesn't charge for screens directly, they just charge for it in the price. So therefore, this is a multi-million-dollar company. If they do it that way, I kind of want to model what they're doing. Now, as far as pricing for hoodies goes, I generally increase it by at least what's called $4. So I would plus $4. So I would charge the hard cost, which is, let's check on that real quick here. The hard cost of hoodie, the hard cost of the hoodie right now is $9.85. So plus plus 9.85. Okay, so you're sitting at about $20 per hoodie just for the just to have them printed. That's a good ballpark range. That's what I would do as far as pricing goes, but obviously it all depends on what you want to do with it. So feel free to let me know if you have any questions.